hope. You ignited hope in the darkness, so you are the face of hope for us. The story of India, as I told from your platform during the KID Festival, is too diverse, too vast to be reduced to just one narrative. It's a story of 1.4 billion people, and when you try to reduce it to one narrative, you not only falsify it, you mutilate it and do a lot of harm. The problem that we face today is that the story of India is getting lost. It's high time that forces like you hear the voices of those millions of people who believed, were born to the story of India, which is a story of a plural India, a diverse India, an India which has been always very tolerant, very human. And you tell us the story as we were told when we were born in this free country. Because as of now, it is being mutilated, and it's time that you take that story and tell it to us the way our ancestors told us. But Mamta ji, बहुत important बात यह है ये समझना कि at times political party thinks that they are the story. The nation is the story. No political party is bigger than the nation. So I think it's very important that we keep sight of this, that we are here to tell the story of the nation, and the political parties are streams which have contributed to that story. Now, the question to you, madam, is how are you, who I see as the face of hope, going to protect the liberal stream from the goons of the right wing, who have imposed on us the politics of silence, who have terrorized us and intimidated us? We have lost the moral muscle, the country has lost the moral muscle. I think it's time to reinvest in that. And how are you going to put all the liberal forces together to take the might of the right wing on? Because they seem at the moment, even with your resounding victory, almost insurmountable. ये आप कैसे करेंगी? Can we not all pool our resources and sing the song of India as we were born to? So, thank you, ma'am.
I think Moez is 100% correct. You have to sing for the future. You, the civic society, you have a very big role to play. India loves manpower, not muscle power. And unity in diversity is our origin. If you want to protect that, yes. Unfortunately, we are facing the cruel attitude and undemocratic attitude, unethical. And I don't know how we have been tortured by, in the name of right-wing, one political party, BJP. I'm sorry to mention the name. But if we are together, I am always very confident. If you are bold, I know Moez, you have been victimized also. Saurabh is also victimized. There are so many. Somebody can open their face, somebody cannot open their face. But let us not divide the society, not divide the country. We are all one. If we want to really fight with them, let us be united. Wherever you are, speak out. Bold out them. You can bold out. We can fight it out. Never say no, never say cannot. We can. And that's why instead of political party will do their jobs. But you are the main pillar of the society. You do your job also. You advise us. You people guide us. You give us the suggestion so that you control the political parties that you have to do like this and you have to save the country. Our motto is to save the country, to save the democracy. If you want to save the democracy, then we have to work together. Means your society is a big society. It cannot be left out.